WSSC is getting prepared for the winter, ensuring that staff is prepared and equipment is on hand. Because of the cold, over 278 pipes burst in November, but WSSC says it's prepared with over 200 trained staff, on-call contractors, and additional crews. On Tuesday, employees headed out to the pipe replacement yard and showed the different types of cracks that WSSC normally encounters and how they are repaired.
Typically, we have two types that we deal with mainly. Repair circle break, what we call it, crack feed all the way around the pipe with a stainless repair plan. And over there we have a pipe that is a split.
Split pipes are bad news. They take far longer to repair.
Circle break, we can have repairs done within a couple of hours, whereas a split you're looking at 3 to 4 hours typically.
Last week, areas like Chevy Chase and Wheaton experienced some severe water main breaks, leaving residents with many safety concerns and a big mess to clean up.
Well, Chevy Chase is an older neighborhood, so we are going to be experiencing a higher than normal rates in that area, obviously. And our effort is to replace the oldest pipe first. And so we have spent quite a bit of effort and replacement projects in that particular area. And that's going to continue on for many years.
So what should you do if your pipes burst during the winter? Contact WSSC or visit WSSC.com for more tips, including how you can prepare before the cold winter weather sets in.